In like 7 months to pay me the $40 after buying the car off.
Now you know why.
I got a $700 controller.
Oh, that's too bad.
Already hitting me behind.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, I'm just slow. You got lights at least. They look good. Yeah, you can see. Oh.
What?
Nothing. I didn't say that. At least you fixed me. That's good.
You were well off before I got close.
Really?
Oh, yeah. Oh, nice, nice. Payback's a bitch, huh? Okay. Alright.
You're killing me.
Now these fly cars need to have a flying motor, right?
Yes.
Oh, whoa, that
That's
was
the only
a trip.
stipulation.
I saw that at peripheral.
You
You're
can't
like,
change
whoa,
the
what
chassis.
happened?
You can't change
You
it.
can't change the chassis.
You change the body, you can't change the chassis.
You have to have the same motor, and you can change the gears, the wheels, the axles, guide, anything you want. But you have to have same chassis, same engine. Motor.
Lucky.
Wow, what timing was that?
That was pretty cool. He was
That
far
just
enough
jammed
away.
me up. That would have been it. There's no way I would have pulled away right there.
Thank you, Glenn. You pulled just far enough off the road to
that was fun.
squeeze through.
I'm like, oh,
Well, I did that
what's he
on
gonna
purpose.
do? What's he
Yes, it
gonna
was
do?
excellent driving.
Carter owes you money for that one.
I do. I screwed up his shift at Laguna Seca. Just going into the straightaway, and I thought I was going to get rear-ended.
Half a point.
So I
Half a lap.
just drove right off into the curbing and intentionally get off the road because if you're supposed to hit the gas on the beginning of the straightaway, if you decide to leave it in neutral instead,
Exactly.
whoops, sorry,
Glenn?
and hit the shift.
Am I before the? Nate, am I okay over there?
No, he needs to be pushed. Push him back a little bit.
The yellow.
Yellow.
Am I right?
Lift them. Better car for you, Jim?
Yeah.
Oh, Tim, thanks.
Sorry.
You're not sorry.
Sorry, which car is mine? Sorry, where?
Right there.
Okay, thank you. I raced them all, so it's sort of like a, wait.
I was trying to move. I don't know what happened. I just pushed a little bit too much.
Just keep giving me flowers.
Oh, Nate. Oh, he pushed me out.
No, I did. Did I push you out?
Well, that's why I don't, your rear end knocked me out, but then I did the same thing over here to Steve. It's just a racing deal.
Okay.
There's no.
The car fell out.
It did just sort of
It
go on its
did.
side.
That sort of just kind of fall out. I agree with that.
I mean, that's how it works, right? If someone
Right,
knocks you
and
out
if
or
it's
whatever,
lane and
then you
wanna
just
call it,
don't have.
Yeah.
But you don't get docked.
There's no penalty, right?
Right.
That's-
No.
Yeah. There's nothing.
If it's really like you just punted me right off the road, different story.
Yeah. Evan has a hard time here.
I didn't have to punt you there.
Having a good
No,
time?
you took it by yourself.
You can add another lane there if you want.
There's that one stupid pen. I think I could take it quicker than I am.
Little toy cars, Nate. Little toy cars.
That's what's great about it. I was just talking about, I don't talk about crashes about things like that. You know?
You know, the other group, they'd be screaming, oh, stand to their feet. Everybody ready? Yeah.
3 cautions, you're off the track.
You ready, Steve?
Yep.
Ready? Ready now?
What happened there?
You ready now?
I don't know.
Glenn, can you give me a little push forward, please?
Yes, indeed.
Excellent.
Nice.
I'm not going to go forward.
You can't go back.
Well, you have
You
to.
can pick up the car, I guess.
Well, if you were more than halfway through the thing, I would have moved it forward. So you guys haven't come out yet. I'm the only one who's come
No,
out.
I came
Well,
out.
in those shorts, you didn't have, I mean, it was obvious.
I'm the
So
only
I
one
had
that
to
won.
say it.
I had to catch up on that joke there,
Okay, good.
Carter, but I got there.
Nobody else has.
Long race.
Thanks, brother.
That,
That was totally
That
unnecessary.
was nice of you, Carter.
Very nice. We did that last race too.
I'm almost thinking about giving him a plus half lap.
Let's not go that far.
No. That's a good thought.
no, I may have been lucky to brought that other engine.
That car doesn't like that corner.
I was waiting patiently for a long time.
I know.
And then finally, it was like, oh my god, crash already. So now you're not going to crash.
Well, if I do, I'll just subscribe into Nate. Wait up for me, Nate.
Glenn came out, pushed me out, and you rear-ended Glenn. Sounds like a Friday night, huh?
So, is anyone like to
Hey,
get a
you're
different
good.
lane or anything else? 7 minutes to go here, and
You got another 7 minutes?
yes.
I thought that was over. I figured by the end of the 7 minutes I'll figure out the problem a little bit better. I don't want to cause anybody to crash.
That's nice.
Oh,
That is considered.
consider it. I could have waited for you guys to crash into the back of me.
That's how you like it.
Yeah, you know it. How close?
One.
Eight.
Eight.
Actually, all your cars are fair.
Oh! Just saw a huge black shadow just go.
Is that what
right
that was?
past
It
here.
must have been
Oh,
a
man,
deer.
yeah,
'cause I
that's
saw it. I'm like, someone else is here.
It's a vulture perhaps then.
Yeah.
That was weird.
Third
Like,
largest bird of
I
prey in
thought it
North
was,
America.
That was Bigfoot running
I
back
kind of
there.
have them like pets at my house.
I used to feed them, so I definitely did.
It's your fault.
Fried chicken. Oh, I
What'd you
love
feed
that.
them?
Chicken.
Oh, it just throw
Kids.
chicken out there.
Yeah.
I didn't think about that.
Go to Costco and
My wife would be very upset about that.
Oh man, you got tons over you. Holy crap.
And they're ugly except when they're in the air.
what do you do? Just shoot stuff in your neighborhood?
No, we have enough roadkill right there off the thing that we have the trees. They like the bay laurels because they have those branches up high that are naked.
And what animal is this?
Turkey vultures.
Why do they call them turkey vultures?
They look like a turkey. Their neck looks like a turkey neck, I guess. I don't know. You call them turkey vultures? You just call them vultures.
Turkey
Sorry,
vulture.
turkey vultures. Yeah.
This is the only vulture in the area I tend to, they're also the vulture.
Oh, damn it. Wow, I never self-marshal ever. That was a trip. What I was supposed to do.
You're tough to get around.
You were waiting for me.
Yeah,
For
right.
that training.
That was funny.
I was gonna use Glenn to mess you up. It was working. And I fucked up.
I feel like, like a patrol car in like those old,
Yeah, you're the mobile chicane.
right.
Yeah. We put you out there on the tracks and we have something interesting to do while we're laughing at everybody.
That's how I was last race.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, tires are flying everywhere. Axle out. Holy cow.
I think it's my
Look
car.
at this. That was freaking awesome.
You just gotta do it on the green.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, it's gotta go to
Oh,
bed.
you're okay. You're
Oh,
not
what are
out.
we doing?
Are you?
Is this Glenn's car?
Oh, you're out. You're out.
Am I?
It's my car, isn't it?
It's not Glenn's.
No, it's not yours.
No, my car's here.
Is it my
Not
car?
mine.
My car's got all tires on it. Well, let's just start them back up and see what happens.
What the?
Hold on, hold on, hold on. What the hell?
So were you out?
That was
It
weird.
doesn't matter, but okay.
That
So
was weird.
whose tires were
That was weird. I saw him flying across. I'm coming. I'm like, look at carnage in front of me. Oh, I'm gonna get around it. Oh, awesome.
Wow.
And then there was no car. I'm like, what the hell? The car?
That's very strange.
That was weird.
Weird set of tires.
Somebody's car is blowing apart in front of me, but I don't see the car.
The
At least
lighter
nobody
car.
had to fix anything.
It's
That's
one of
a good
those-
I was
thing.
wrong
One
way.
of those
Just
clear
clear
cars.
That's awesome.
asking.
That was Lee. I don't know what's happening.
Sounds like he locked up his brakes.
Whoa! Just the split second I needed. Oh, that was weird. Lost power there for a second.
Damn it.
Oh, finally, not me.
Excellent.
Oh!
You did that on purpose, you swine.
Robin's
I'm
racing.
gonna come take you out. I'm taking you out.
Taking Nate out.
Thank you,
Oh, what happened?
Nate put his button to me.
Oh,
Alright,
man.
Nobody hit the button.
My ass end was shaking.
Yeah, a little light on that one.
I've been told that many times, a little wide on that one.
Oh, hey, I got knocked out. Hello, I got knocked out.
Alright.
Yeah, I knocked
Half,
out.
half off of me. I
Yeah.
knocked him out.
What?
No,
No.
I knocked him out. He called me out.
No.
It's okay.
But he did come out over there.
Yeah, so it doesn't matter anyways. But I'll take the half. No biggie.
What?
Yeah.
How much?
It's on me.
What? Where's my car? I should locate my car before I hit the button.
Good idea.
Would be a smart idea. Oh, God.
Oh, give me a push. Give me a push. You stopped me, dude.
Push
Give me a
it,
push.
push it.
Thank you.
I stopped you.
Yeah, your car broke, and then you were fucking with your car, and it made me stop in the middle of the thing.
46153.
I'm sorry.
I know,
4,
it's
6.
1.
Oh, that was the
5,
end?
3.
Oh, dude.
Alright, so
Oh,
Carter,
it
it's
better
your
not be
front,
close.
it's your
I'm gonna
front
be pissed.
axle.
Yeah, I told you it was mine. I said it's mine. I'm
Oh,
taking
no
So
way.
Yeah.
Holy cow, that is amazing.
So what do we do with Carter?
Well, he finished.
Well, if I finish second, then I get first. No.
I slowed down.
No, well, I mean, I know like
Yeah,
last race,
We
we,
can't, right, we penalize, we can't.
we black flagged them because you
Black
can't
I asked
race
if my
without-
tires were off, and
yeah.
you said they
No,
weren't.
I know, I looked at your, I did, I looked at your rear tires only. I didn't notice it. I didn't notice it. I didn't notice it when you were running.
Okay. I mean,
Let's see if I can do this one.
Add it all up, and then you guys can think
I
about it.
got last. I got last place again. Thank you.
Okay, got that?
4 to God, how many?
Do you know why my car was slow? Because the
81, 81,
I think we should all ride bikes. That's the
78.
coolest thing ever.
73.
When I was at an Enduro in
68.
Boston about 3 weeks ago, 8 hours, and for 2
81.
hours they shut the
Oh,
lights out.
sorry, Steve, what number were you?
The lights get darker, darker,
Five.
darker, then they
I
come
was
back
6.
up.
What
So
are you, Carter?
racing
And 4.
cars, you had to take your car to the track.
Four,
Put
six.
lights in it.
2?
As a
2?
pit stop.
1-1.
Or what?
46,
That's
153.
Yeah, I
When
got
you're racing at
that.
night.
81,
That's
81.
really cool, dude.
81, 81, 78, 73, 68.
So we're on the same lap, Carter.
I'm aware of that.
I I think you
I
have
have
to
a
have,
one-lap
yeah,
penalty still.
well, yeah, but there has,
But you
there
have to
has to be
black
a
flag
penalty,
him
there
for
has to be a
I wasn't in
penalty for that
second?
somehow. I don't know what, figure out how long it would take you to put it back on and stop the, and if that's a lap or 2 laps or whatever it is, but it's gotta be something, because if we'd known about it
Yeah, because you can't race a race without wheels.
without wheels, yeah, that doesn't, you know.
Last race we had Ernie, and his wheels came out. His car was running better without the wheels, but we had to black flag him because you can't run a race
Yeah,
without
race
wheels.
without
Yeah. So we just got to figure out what's the right penalty.
Well, by the way, when you said it wasn't mine, I said, I bet it is. I bet it is. But
Well,
I
I
never
know, but
stopped. I never stopped my car again.
No,
I
I
just
understand,
drove.
I know,
but
I
we
know.
still got to do something.
Well, okay.
Whatever you want to do, whatever you think's fair.
Well, I know what he thinks is fair.
Well, and by the way, okay.
I mean, we have.
Well, I mean, we
You know.
decided, we didn't decide the last race on the track, so there's no reason we have to decide this race on the track.
Fair enough.
Right.
Where's the? Hand me my car.
Let's time it. See how
Let's
long
time
it
it.
takes. That's
Yeah.
fair.
I don't.
He would have to grab his car and then do
It's-
it. So
Go.
Tim threw him the tires, so we got, you know, right, that's where they went.
Okay, done.
Oh, damn.
Well, maybe not. So it's like a quarter of a lap, or half a lap.
Have a
it's 9 seconds.
Okay.
So whatever that is.
Now lap is the fastest
7
lap is
seconds.
11 seconds.
Okay.
So it'll take 3/4 of a lap.
So we're on the same lap now. So,
So
where,
you're 6
where are you and where
You
am
were
I?
6 seconds behind me according to this. I'll put my car back on.
No,
but-
I believe you.
But anyway.
Okay. So you win by
He
a
was
couple
over here.
seconds. Yeah.
Yeah.
So you win by a couple, 3 seconds or something. Okay.
Okay.
That's fair.
Oh,
Does everybody think that's all right or what? Don't say yes.
Nate, you
if
got
don't
one. You
think it's
beat
right.
me? For some reason, damn it. What happened? I thought I was
Okay.
getting in second.
I mean,
you at least.
I just don't know if we're calculating what it would have took him to
You
go
made
get
the
his
top
car.
5.
I've already go.
Under green.
So did you.
That's all
Get
I'm
it.
asking.
It drove here.
Yeah. That's true.
You drove here, yeah.
But you would have to get your parts.
I don't see a problem with driving it if it's moving on the track. That's not, I don't see that.
Yeah, but where would he have got his
You gotta
parts?
replace your wheels. You would have come into the pits and replaced your wheels.
Yeah, but he would have had to go get his wheels, right?
Well,
That's
no,
He
it.
couldn't drive his wheels
no,
over
You would
there.
have
but the
extra
thing is,
tires in
once
the
you
pits.
hit a track, you hit a track call, that's when he could have gotten his
Okay,
wheels. So,
okay.
Yeah.
So let's just do 8 seconds. You won by half a lap.
okay,
Fair enough.
that works.
I'm reminiscent of
What did you get? What did you get, Nate? You got 81 laps?
Yes.
How many times you come off?
Twice. So I got 80 laps.
I got none.
Damn it.
Well, don't you get
Clean-
more points for
clean
coming
race.
out more?
Yeah.
Means you're pushing the car more?
We could do the photo.
Do the
Oh,
photo.
photo
And everybody had, by the way, all the lap times were about the same.
Really?
11:0, 11:0, 11:3, 12:3, 12:2. Well, let's do that.
Is that lane 1, 2, 3? So that.
Sorry,
lane
that's the
3
placement. That's the placement of, okay, see that?
Right,
4, 6, 1, 5, 3. So you're 5 on this list.
okay, so I'm number 5. So my best lap time was
12:2
That's why I came in last.
and 12:3.
I'm a second and a half slower than everybody else.
Everybody
That,
else
that
was
was
running
like
for
my
laps.
first race.
Uh-huh. No, see,
Did I
now,
lose my car?
when you see the data,
What happened to your car?
everything starts
Right
making
there.
It
sense.
helps
Thank
you. It'll help you
The
sleep.
data does
It'll
not
help
lie.
you sleep
What's the
tonight.
finish order? Sorry.
That's
So
what
it was
happened.
Carter,
Glenn, before we started
Me.
the first race,
Tim,
I was
Yeah,
looking at the lap,
Steve,
and
Glenn.
before we went green, I'm like, I was a second behind
Hey.
on my lap time. So before I even pushed, we went green. I'm like, this is gonna suck. I'm just gonna stay, little engine that could, just do my thing. And then everyone Steve kept coming. I'm like, oh my god, how many times did it come off? I'm like in my head, I think it was just like 7 times. Well, how many? And then I look at the laps. I'm like, oh shit, I'm like 10 laps behind.
you're a Porsche
Like,
908?
even if I stay on, I'm not gonna get anywhere.
I think that's what I'm
But-
going to, so Porsche 908, 908.
It helps you get through the day,
You're
knowing
917.
before you
Yes.
start. that you're
Porsche
straight.
917K. These tires.
I'm on the podium though. Fuck, I thought I had
I'm
Nate.
in the top
I
five.
thought I kept my mouth shut that whole time because I was like, if they DQ Carter, I get first place. I had no
Who's
idea.
that? That's
I didn't know
Tim's?
Glenn had.
Tim, you're a
Nate.
Porsche
Yeah.
917?
Sure.
Yep.
Whatever you say.
917 Spider.
And me and Carter are Porsche 908s.
We're cool.
Cool.
We we got enough GT cars between us to.
That makes so much
Yeah,
more
I got
sense.
lots of cars here.
That makes so much more sense.
I can get my
Those
GT
were
car.
actual
Yeah.
tires off someone's car. Because I'm like, how the fuck did that happen? They weren't on the track somewhere.
I looked because I did this. Carter's car. I did this. I squeezed in at the back.
Yeah,
I went, no,
right.
they're still there.
Yeah, it was so funny. So I'm coming around this corner, and it's just like real racing. A tire's rolling across. I'm like, I
Yeah.
check up, and then the axle comes flying out. I'm like, whoa, someone's falling apart in front of me. And so I go totally slow through it, and I just
It
keep
looked
trucking.
like my
It was
car.
so
it looked like
cool.
it was coming out of my car is what I thought. I saw. But,
It was so cool because it happened kind of slow motion because it was in the S's, you know.
Uh-huh. Yeah, it was.
Yeah, it was pretty cool.
How did you like that come out and right back in again? I mean, that was.
Oh, that was awesome, dude.
Really?
That would have cost you the race.
That's you're
That
right.
would have cost you the race.
Right there.
Yeah, yeah. It's that close.
Mhm.
But anyway, it's all.
That was cool.
What other parts have to be on the car after the car's run and starts?
Well, in most places, you have to have all 4 tires. You also have to have all the wings.
Yeah. In reality,
In most
if
clubs,
you don't have car, at least one tire. If you have one tire missing off your car, yeah, you're pretty much not.
yeah,
moving.
or there's other clubs that do like you're doing with penalizing. So in other words, you lose your wing, you lose a lap. That's it. You can continue the race, but you lose a lap.
I'm gonna like that one best of all because they have to stop and fix your car.
Oh, I know. I
It's
know.
not. No one's set up for pit stops.
It's very frustrating, and you know,
That's the first time we've
I've
had
had to do it.
axles,
It's not fun.
full axle lost, right?
Huh?
That's the first time we ever had a full axle disappear, right?
Yeah.
Let alone keep racing and win.
I gotta tell you,
we haven't seen that.
no,
These
Ernie
fly cars.
lost his front wheel, and Ernie lost his front wheels in the Grand Prix thing.
Oh, that's what you guys are talking about.
And what happened was that it actually allowed more weight on the guide, so it actually handled better. He was going around, he's actually going faster. And it was like, wait a minute, you can't do that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it was. I got you.
Just you know,
That,
he wasn't gonna do it anyway, but I mean, it was.
that is so funny.
You need a something, right?
Yes. Yeah. Oh, we're gonna run something.
We're gonna run.
What we got?
I think we're running Ski Electric cars.
Electric GTs or whatever you got GT. I don't care. You know, it's the only other thing I have a chip in car. That's all.
That's fine.